Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Now, today's we are on the part 4 of chapter 2. In this part, we will cover the topic which is about estimating sum. Which is about estimating sum and difference. Sum and difference means we will round off the number, round off them nearest ones, nearest tens. So that is estimating, means estimate करेंगे हम. We will not find the exact sum or exact difference of the given number. We will just estimate the sum and difference, right? Now the first question will be like this. So now first question is estimate the sum or estimate by rounding of nearest tens. Means हमें numbers को nearest tens में round off करना है. Now round off means, see, you are having 10 rupees, right? And you bring the toffees of rupees 8. And if anyone asks to you, what you said, how much toffee you bring of rupees 10? So that is the estimate कि आपने उसको exact नहीं बताया. So when you have to round off the number nearest tens, what you will do? Ones and tens. Means हमें इस नंबर को क्या करना है? Up to here, यहाँ तक डिजिट रखनी है. इसके बाद जो भी नंबर होगा हमें उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? ज़ीरो में. बट इसकी भी एक कंडीशन है बेटा. सी, बिफोर 2 द नंबर इज 1 विच इज लेस देन 4. क्या है नंबर? लेस देन 4. सो दिस नंबर रिमेन द सेम. 2 1 4 4 5 2 0, राइट. आप जस्ट इससे पहले वाला नंबर चेक करेंगे. 10 से पहले क्या आता है? वंस. और वंस के प्लेस पे नंबर क्या है? 1. इफ द नंबर इज लेस देन 5, then the number will remain the same. If like this, it is greater than 5, right? ये क्या है? 5 से बड़ा है तो हम इसमें +1 करेंगे. माई पॉइंट. आपको क्या करना है? जस्ट प्रीवियस नंबर चेक करो. 0 से पहले क्या है? 2 5 से छोटा है. सो द नंबर विल रिमेन द सेम. 3 7 5 5 1 0 and 0. Now estimated sum, we have to add both the numbers. 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 5 9, 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 3 5. Right? This is estimated sum. This is the way by rounding off to nearest tens. Now see, B part, we have to find the difference, estimated difference. So again round off to nearest tens. Ones, tens. इस डिजिट को राउंड ऑफ करना है. इस डिजिट से पहले क्या है? 7 greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this number. जहाँ जिस प्लेस को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है आप उसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करेंगे. एंड इट बिकम्स 7 4 8 9 6 4 2 0, राइट. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4 2 0. नाउ 1 टेंस 5 से पहले क्या है? 1 विच इज लेस देन 5. सो द नंबर विल रिमेन द सेम. 7 1 9 2 2 8 5 0. Now estimated difference means subtract 0 minus 0, 12 minus 5 7, 13 minus 8 5, 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 2 7, 18 minus 9 9, 3 minus 1 2, and 7 minus 7 0. So that is the way to rounding of nearest tens. Right? Now question second. This will be the question second. Rounding off to nearest hundreds. Now we have to round off the number into nearest hundreds. So ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. So before the number 100, the number is 4. Less than 5, so the number will remain the same. 4305 4. After 4, the number these two will 0. Now here, after 0, 6. Sorry, before 0, 6 is there, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 1 4 1 6 1 0 0. Now difference means subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 15 minus 6, 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 12 minus 4, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. Right? After that again estimated sum means add करना है. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. See, prior number 9 greater than 5. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ 1 ऐड करेंगे and it becomes 6 4 2 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. These two number will be 0. 1 before 1 5 equals to 5. So we will add again 1 here and it will write like this. 8 5 1 8 8 1 plus 1 2 and these two number become 0. Now we have to find estimated sum. Add these two. 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 0. 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 8 11. 1 goes carry. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 5 9 and 6 plus 8 14. Right? This is the way to find the estimated the sum and difference by rounding off to nearest 100. Right? Now our question third will be rounding off to nearest 1000. Rounding off to nearest thousands. The questions are like this. Now in question number third beta we have to rounding off to nearest 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now before 1000 the number is 5. So what we do? We will add 1 to here and it becomes 2193 2193. This number will convert into 0. After that 7 से पहले क्या है 0 which is less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Estimated sum is ऐड करना है हमें नंबर्स को. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 3 plus 7 10. 1 become carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4 14. Again 1 become carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now 2 plus 2 4. Right? Now estimated difference nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now see before 4 5. So we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 3 1 2 7 5. 4 plus 1 5. 1 2. Before 9 8. विच इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 1 ऐड 9 प्लस 1 10, 9 प्लस 1 10. बट आप 10 यहाँ राइट डाउन नहीं कर सकते, इट मीन्स इट गोज ऑन 2 प्लस 1 3. सो इट बिकम्स 1 8 5 3 0 0 0 0. बेटा यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग ऑल्सो. अगर यहाँ पे जैसे 9 गिवन है, 5 से ग्रेटर है ये नंबर, तो प्लस 1 करेंगे. 9 प्लस 1 क्या होगा, 10. सो यू कांट राइट 0, यू कांट राइट कंप्लीट 10 हेयर. यहाँ आप 10 नहीं लिख सकते. 0 will come here and the 1 will go there as a carry, right? Now subtract 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 3 4, 12 minus 5 7, it becomes 0. 10 minus 8 2, and it becomes 2 minus 1 1, right? Clear? This is rounding off to nearest thousand. Now next topic is rounding off to nearest 10,000. Last is rounding off to nearest 10,000. In question number 4, we have to rounding off the number nearest 10,000, right? Rounding off to nearest 10,000. Now again ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now again we will check one digit prior. 5 इक्वल टू 5 है, ग्रेटर देन 4 है. यहाँ क्या आएगा, we will add 1 to here and it becomes 4 3 1. Rest number will be 0, right? And here 1, and before 1 the digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to 1, 1 plus 1 2, and it becomes 2 4 2, and the last number will be as 0. Now what we have to find, estimated difference. Difference means we have to subtract these numbers. Now 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. Now 11 minus 2 9, 12 minus 4 8, and 3 minus 2 1. This be the estimated difference, right? Now come to B part, which is estimated sum. Again 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? What we will check in this beta, we will check the prior digit. मीन्स इससे पहले जिसको हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है उससे प्रायर डिजिट हम चेक करेंगे. मीन्स प्रीवियस डिजिट वी विल चेक. सो बिफोर 1 व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू, 3, विच इज नॉट मोर देन 5, not more than 4. So what we do, same number 2 4 2, 1 will be the same and rest these 4 will be converted into zeros. Here is 8 and before 8 also 8 is there, which is greater than 5. So 8 plus 1 9, 4 5 1 9, and rest will be 0. Plus 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, again 0. 9 plus 1 10, 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 4 6. So this is the estimated sum which we have find by rounding off to nearest 10,000. By rounding off to nearest 10,000. Now question number 5. Estimate by rounding off to nearest lakh. Now we have to round off the number to nearest lakhs, which are like this. So in question number 5 we have to round off nearest lakh. So now we will check one digit prior. Before lakh what comes? 10,000. We will round off nearest lakh and we will check the digits which is at the place of 10,000. हम कौन से digit check करेंगे जो 10,000 के place पे होगी? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now see, in both the numbers, the digit prior the rounding number is less than 5. Both the numbers, see, one is 2, one is 3. So it is less than 5. So what we do? The number will remain the same. So 2, 6, 2 and rest number are 0. Now 2, 7, 1 and these rest number are 0. Estimated sum means plus 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 become carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Right? So this is the estimated sum. Now estimated difference by rounding off to nearest lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Right? Now before this number there is 6 which is more than 4. So we will add 1 to 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 9, 3, 8, 5. Rest this will be 0. Now again 7. 7 को राउंड ऑफ करना है बट 7 से पहले जो डिजिट है दैट इज 3 less than 5. So the number will remain the same. 7287 and these numbers were converted into zeros. Minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 15 minus 7, 8. This becomes 7. 17 minus 8, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. This is the estimated difference of by rounding off to nearest lakh. Now question number 6 is rounding off to nearest 10 lakh by rounding the numbers nearest 10 lakhs. Now this is question number 6 which rounding off to nearest 10 lakh. Now what we have to do? We have to round off the number nearest 10 lakh. So now come to the questions. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now see. Before 6, the number is 2 and 2 is less than 5, right? So this will be same, 8, 6. In place of 2, 0. In place of 5, 0, 1, 0, 2 के place पे 0, 6 के place पे 4. Same here, beta before 7, 1 which is less than 5. So again 6, 7, 0, 0, 3912. Now we have to estimate the difference. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, can you subtract 7 from the 6? No. So it will take 1 carry and this becomes 16 and it becomes 7. So 16 minus 7, 9, and 7 minus 6, 1, which is 1 crore 90 lakh, right? Which is 1 crore 90 lakh. Now come to the part where you have to estimate the sum. Again firstly हम क्या करेंगे, हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे नियरेस्ट 10 लाख में. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Right? Now before 8 the digit is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So what comes? We will add 1 to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Rest will be 0. Now here before 1 the digit is 3, which is less than 5. So the digits will remain the same. Rest will become the zeros. Estimated sum is plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 become carry. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Which is 41 crore. Right? So these are the questions which you have to rounding off to nearest 10 lakh. Now next question is rounding off to nearest crore. Now we will round off the number nearest crore. They are also same beta, just you have to underline the digit in which you have to convert according to the place value chart, means ones, tens, 100,000, and after that you have to check the one digit prior. आपको जिस डिजिट में कन्वर्ट करना है उस डिजिट से जस्ट एक डिजिट पहले चेक करो. The digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. If equal to 5 is also there, then you will add 1 to the number which you underline. जिस नंबर को आपने underline किया है, right? So now come to question number 7, which is like this. So now question number 7 is nearest crore. Again we will check the digits which is at the place crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now see, same you have to do in your notebook beta. फर्स्टली आप उस नंबर को अंडरलाइन करोगे जिस नंबर को आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है. अब अंडरलाइन नंबर से एक डिजिट पहले चेक करो. 6 है, ग्रेटर देन 5. सो 3 plus 1, 4. आपको अंडरलाइन नंबर में ऐड करना है. रेस्ट विल बी 0, 4, 5, 1, 4. राइट? Now here 4. 2 less than 5. So once again the number will be same. Now estimate the sum. Plus 4 plus 4, 8. 0, 0. This 8 crore. Right? सिंपली कुछ नहीं करना आपको, चाहे नियरेस्ट करोड़ करना हो या नियरेस्ट टेंस करना हो या नियरेस्ट 100. The procedure will be same for all. Now the part ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Right? See here 6 greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this and it becomes 6 plus 1, 7. Right? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Now, in second, 2 before 2, 7, which is also greater than 5. So it becomes 2 plus 1, 3. Now estimate the difference means we have to subtract the number. All will come 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. So it is 24 crore. Right? Estimated 24 crore. Now question number 8 and last is rounding off to nearest 10 crore. Same like this, first we will underline the number. Right? After that we will check the one digit prior. Now come to the question. Question number 8 be like this. Now question 8, nearest 10 crore. Once again underline this. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See बेटा हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है 10 करोड़ में. If I put here 0, it change the values. अगर मैं यहाँ zeros लगाती हूँ तो it change the value of the digit or not? Think about it. It change the value of the digit or not? It will not change the digit value. Now for next, we have to round off this number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Once again I will put here 0 because मुझे round off करोड़ में करना. So now ये क्या है? 0 से पहले 7 है, which is greater than 5. So I will add 1 here. And the rest number be the 0. See, 7, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4. So next also, after before the 0, what is there? 6. 6 is greater than 5. So I can add 1 here also. And this also number will become 0. Now 1 crore minus 1, estimated difference, 1 minus 1, 0. Right? So how many zeros will come here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can check by like this also. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Right? If the digits are not equal to the rounding number, you can put 0 also to convert that number in the appropriate. Now for this, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 2 से पहले क्या है? 4, which is less than 5. So here it will remain the same and rest will be 0. 4, 2, 3, 8, 7, 4, 1, 2. Here 7 greater than 5. So add 1 to this. 3 plus 1, 4. Rest will be 0. Estimated sum means plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. So how much? 60 crore. Right? So this is about the rounding numbers. This is about the estimated the sum and difference. So now today our chapter 2 is over. In this chapter we have studied about few topics. First topic is addition and subtraction. Right? how to arrange the numbers, how to arrange the number in column, and after that add and subtract. Third topic is statement stories of addition and subtraction. Fourth topic we have done addition and subtraction together by using BODMAS. Fifth is properties of addition and subtraction, and sixth one is rounding off or estimated the sum and difference by rounding the numbers. Estimated the sum and difference by rounding the numbers. So these are the topics of chapter 2 which we have done today, and our chapter 2 is over. Now from tomorrow we will start our chapter 3, which is of multiplication and division.